With the crop of the tools on the market that are related to parallel programming, one is conspicuously missing, the tool that will automatically generate parallel code, the auto-parallelizer. The tools available seems to be beating around the bush, providing the user with the way to understand it problem, teaching how to parallelize the code, guiding and assisting with the parallelization, but not really producing the parallel code or producing such a code with an extensive help from the user. The automatic parallelization belongs to the future. Why hasn't automatic parallelization become a reality? The answer to that question is quite obvious: it is very difficult to create auto-parallelizer. And all the tools available, that are teaching, guiding, helping and assisting user in creation of the parallel code instead of creating such a code, seems to be a sign of capitulation in the efforts to create auto-parallelizer. Creation of the auto-parallelizer is very difficult but not impossible. We conceived and implemented a solution to this problem. DCO is a software package from Dalsoft that is specifically designed to auto-parallelize code generated by a compiler. In this presentation we will show you how to use DCO to generate parallel code. As an example, we will attempt to create parallel executable for the following code pattern. We created the following test program. Let's examine it. The main loop is located here. We surround it by two comment lines that will define a region to be processed selectively by the auto-parallelizer. In a minute more about this. In order to obtain meaningful execution time, we will repeatedly run the main loop. But before that, we declare variables required by this program and initialize them. After execution of the code, we calculate and print the checksum. Let's generate an executable using a compiler. This is the file generated at this step. Now we will generate parallel code using auto-parallelizer. For this to happen, we shall first to generate assembly file for our source. While calling compiler to do that, some compiler line options shall be applied. This is the file generated at this step. Process compiler generated assembly file by the auto-parallelizer. When calling the auto-parallelizer, we request selective optimization to process only specially defined portions of the source. We also request the parallel code to be generated. This is the file generated at this step. Now the parallel executable can be created. Note this command line option that is necessary to specify in order to link in all the library routines to execute the parallel code. This is the file generated at this step. Let's get information about our computer to verify that it is multi-core. Now let's execute the compiler generated code and the code produced by the auto-parallelizer. The checksums appear to agree. The execution times speak for themselves.